My name is Deepshika. I use she, her pronouns, and I am one of the directors of a youth-led organization called the YP Foundation. We are based in Delhi NCR, and we work across the different states of India with young people to be able to build all of our capacities on the issues around sexual reproductive health rights and justice. The fact that it was termed as translation between gender and finance, for me that resonated with a need that I've had for a very, very long time. As a person assigned female at birth, I have been sort of engaging with finance. I've been living on my own. I've been working for a while right now, and I take care of my own finances. I also sort of manage budgets. Have been doing that for a while, but I've always felt very, very scared to be able to say that I understand finance. So I think for me that was the excitement of being able to claim finance as part and parcel of what I've been doing, very much a part of my existence, and not shy away or be scared of it all the time. The experience of the workshop itself, the fact that the objective of the workshop was placed as I should be able to say that I am not, I will never say that I don't know about finances, is something that I think for me the workshop was able to do a lot. I am going back with a lot more questions. It's piqued my curiosity, yes, but then I've also found a safe space to be able to ask some of the questions that I didn't necessarily have people or places where I could feel I can ask and still be referred to. I would want to understand the ecosystem a little better. I think in the way the workshop sort of corroborated the fact that power, of the way we understand power, the way things are moving around, is that power lies at the hand of those with money. And that's something that is essentially something that we would also want to challenge. We do challenge in our work. I would want to be able to invest more in trying to understand the ecosystem a little better, the ecosystem of finance a little better, to be able to make very clear sort of programmatic choices. Even organizationally, would want to explore how to talk about our work from an impact language that, say, the people across the table are able to understand, but not necessarily change what impact means for us, not start speaking that language when we're not convinced of it. So that essentially that translation is something that we would want to or see how it sort of percolates into the work that we've been doing, and maybe talk to more people more confidently, talk to people who actually have money, maybe influence them a little bit more.